Hi, I'm Dana with CandleScience, and today I'm going to show you how to make Mica Swirl whipped soap. Whipped soap is really easy to make and it's super customizable. You can use different soap dyes, micas, oils, and other ingredients to make this project uniquely yours. But here's what I'll be working with today. Before I start, I'm going to make sure my equipment and my workspace is clean. Now for this project, I'll be using the foaming bath butter base, which is soft and very easy to work with. I just cut the base into rough cubes and place them into a large mixing bowl. Then I'm going to place my hand mixer all the way into the bowl and beat on medium-high speed for about 10 minutes, or until the base starts to look like whipped cream. Whipping time can vary depending on a few things like the type of mixer used or the temperature and humidity in your workspace, for example. At this point, it's time to add fragrance. You can use fragrance oil or essential oils, but you'll want to make sure to check the IFR document for each scent. Take a look at Category 9 to see the maximum amount safe to use. I'll be working with pink grapefruit essential oil today. I'll weigh out 0.64 ounces on the scale, add it to the whipped base, and beat the base again on high for 3 to 7 minutes until it's light, fluffy, and roughly double in volume. Then it's time to divide the soap into 2 bowls. I'm adding a different color of mica to each portion and mixing it in well. Here, I'll be using bright yellow Raincoat and pumpkinhead orange micas, but you could use whichever colors you like. Now to get that nice swirl pattern, lay out a sheet of plastic wrap and spread out a separate line of each color. Roll it into a log and cut the excess material at one end to create an opening. Place the roll into a piping bag with the open side facing down towards the nozzle. Carefully pipe the soap into the jar. If you'll be using clear jars like the PET plastic jars, you'll be able to see the colorful swirls and patterns the micas create. You can also gently tap the jars a few times to maximize the amount of soap you can fit into the container. You just might lose some of that definition. While you can use whichever kind of jar you like, I would recommend using a plastic container and not glass for safety concerns. Now, just allow your whipped soap to set and firm up for a few hours. Close up your container, and you're good to go. And if you're ready to make your own Mica Swirl whipped soap, you can find this tutorial and all the ingredients over at CandleScience.com. Thanks for watching!